As the demand for data accelerates, enterprises must increase the productivity of their data teams, which means doing more work, faster, and with fewer resources. What's holding you back today? Limited budget, skills, or team members? Increasing complexity in data as it grows? Slow data delivery leading to unhappy customers and lost insights? Dare we go on? But we have good news. With Matillion's unified platform, you don't need to manage multiple tools that solve only one part of the problem and add complexity into the mix. Matillion is the productivity platform for data teams. Say goodbye to painful manual processes like custom coding integrations to multiple sources, as well as pipeline changes and fixes. Lack of data engineering resources? No problem. Our code-optional platform caters to a wide range of skill sets. What about slow pipeline processing? Take advantage of efficient, parallel processing to transform data at record speed. Tired of never knowing what's happening across your data ecosystem and the health of your pipelines? Rest assured, with Matillion, unify your data tools and jump into our visual interface to see all pipelines clearly in one place to quickly diagnose and solve issues. Never worry about, what new tool do I need to solve this piece of the data integration puzzle? Scale seamlessly with Matillion and never make trade-offs on transparency, collaboration, cost management, or quality control. Get started within minutes with our comprehensive SaaS platform and make your data work more productive today. All in one place at unlimited scale.